Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make a pie chart using Google Sheets, and this is a easy way to show data to our students in the classrooms. So let's begin by going to Drive, then we're going to go to My Drive, Google Sheets. The survey was about favorite animals, so we're going to start by putting the title here, favorite animals, and now we're going to fill into the categories, which are animals, and the votes are going to give in percentages. So we just write percentage. The animals were dogs, we have cats, we have dolphins, birds, lizards, and for the small categories that had small percentages, I'm just going to combine them and put other. So let's fill up the percentages now. We got 45, 25, 12, 8, 6, and 4. And all of these have to come to 100%, obviously. Now let's select all of this, excuse me, and then we're going to hit Insert once the two columns are selected, and then Chart. Now, I want a pie chart, but if you wanted to do a different chart, you just hit on Chart Type, and it shows you all of the options, okay? Now, we can customize this pie chart. The first thing I want to do is to add a legend. So you click here on legend, and if you go to position, you can choose where this legend is going to be. I want it on the right, so you can see it here. Now I want the percentage to show in each of all of the categories. So you're going to go to pie chart, slice label, and you hit in percentage. Okay. And now for the title, you just basically just click on it and you put favorite animals, and that's it. This is how you create a pie chart using Google Sheets.